Hey, it's Tony and Mary at Nomads 365. Today, we're going to show you how we mount stuff on the wall. Let's get started, Mary.
So today is kind of inspired by some viewer questions. We've been asked a couple times, how do we hang things, or what do we use to when we're traveling to keep things in place? So today, let's show them what we do, right?
Yep. We're going to show you what we do, and I just want to tell you what my thinking is, because I pretty much, she says where she wants stuff, and then I have it. So, first thing is you always want to do the minimal to hang something that's not going to destroy the RV. And then you work your way up. So you go from command strips to exterior double-sided tape to screws. Because, once you put in a screw, you're done. That's it. The hole's there forever until you fix it. So, whenever we're going to hang something, I look at it and go, I always want to start with command strip. Because command strip's easy. When you want to get rid of it, they come right off. It's no big deal. Double-sided exterior 3M tape. Okay, very strong.
Very serious.
Yeah, that's going to rip your walls off.
Yeah,
with it.
yeah.
If you're not careful.
Happen. That's happened.
If you don't go slow and heat it up and handle it right, you're going to have a problem, which we've had problems before. Yeah. And then obviously the screw is at the top, because the screw for sure is leaving a hole. You can't get the double-sided tape off, but the screw's leaving a hole. So that's the order that we go in. Okay, let's show you how we do stuff. Okay, so here's our cross. Weighs, I don't know, it's a little heavy. But this is no problem for a command strip. And even with the the moving of the trailer and stuff. So 2 command strips, one above, one below, no problem. Here, I've already put the tape on, put it on there, line it up, and pop it on. That's it, it's done. We're good. So come on over, I'll show you some more stuff here. This stuff, no problem. A couple little small pieces of a command strip. You can hold this on, no problem. Now let's come up here. My father's Red Ryder BB gun, the same one in the Christmas Story. This, you got to put screws in. There's no way command strip or double-sided tape is going to help you with this. There's just no way. Now this picture here, a little heavier, and we were still able to use command strips with it, but we had to use a lot of command strips. So, if I have to get it off, I can still get it off. Mary's mom painted us that picture, or painted her the picture. Hey, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe.
Like, share, click the bell so you get notified next time we make a video.
All right, let's keep going. Okay, I'm going to show you another thing that we do when we're traveling, which kind of fits with this. Putting stuff away is a pain in the ass, as you know, when you're traveling. Emptying out the garbage, grabbing the garbage, putting it, put this here, put this here, push this under here, it's a pain in the butt. So this is kind of a boat thing that I learned that I use in the trailer, and I will put these little eye hooks that I'm about to show you in the description. So if you want to order these, you can order them yourself. But come on down here. Look, here's our garbage can, right? Okay. What I did was I put one on each side. Okay, which is not that ugly. Maybe it's not ugly to me because I see this in boats all the time. So when we go traveling, what I do is I get a bungee cord and I clip it in here, pull it around to this side, clip it in the other side, and this thing's ready to go on a trip. We're done. Okay, and that saves you from having to find places to stash the bigger stuff that you have in here. And now I'm going to show you in the bathroom how I do the laundry. I'm going to show you where we put our washer when we travel. That makes this super easy. If you've ever watched our video, we keep this in the shower. And then when we go traveling, okay, I put it along this wall. Let me shut this door. Okay. Here, Mary, if you want to get a shot of the two, same thing as a garbage can. Okay. Put this here. Same thing. Bungee cord. Bungee cord, go around. Bungee cord, we're done. That's not going anywhere when we travel. Okay, so that's how we do stuff. So maybe I gave you a couple ideas you might be able to use. And again, the hardware, the bungees, they'll be in the description of the video. And it's been years and nothing's ever fallen off the wall.
So that's how we do it. That's how we hang, keep things in place. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.
Leave a comment. Leave a comment below.
Bye.
All right, that about does it. Thanks for watching the video. Hey, don't forget to subscribe.
Like, share, and click that bell.
Hey, we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks again, you guys. Bye.
Bye.